Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you how to create logos in Leonardo AI in 2026. So if you want to generate professional logo concepts for a business, brand, YouTube channel, or personal project, Leonardo AI can help you create ideas in just a few minutes. First, sign in to your Leonardo AI account and open the image generation workspace. Once you're inside, click the option to create a new image. When the results appear, review the designs and identify the concepts that best match your vision. If needed, adjust your prompt and generate additional versions. You can then enhance, refine, or upscale your favorite concept before downloading it for further editing in a graphic design application. Finally, save your best logo ideas and continue experimenting with different styles, colors, and layouts to find the perfect design for your brand. And that's it. That's how to create logos in Leonardo AI in 2026. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.